Welcome to Snap Clip Decor Square. Today we're going to go through the simple basics of connecting the Snap Clip Decor Square frame to the connectors, or at least the other way around. First of all, use gloves. Make sure you've got gloves. It bites. These are the basics of connection following. When you're using your gloves, make sure that there's something strong enough to actually hold on to. These clips are strong and they do pinch you. Right, you've got a 60-degree, in this case, snap clip. And what we're going to do is connect it to a section of the panel. As you can see, it's quite flexible. Simply slide it over the edge on the smooth side without the grooves. Snap in the area that's closest to the center point and clip it into place, and you're done. Simple, clean, easy and effective.